Alrighty, so now beautiful little upgrade for your bike, and forgive my completely messy remodel. I have dogs and bikes in my living room. Anywho, simple, easy thing to do, especially with these grips. Now I have the Polygon full suspension, but these grips are so much easier than back in the day than BMX grips. Even when loosening this little nut, if they're not slipping off easily, you might have to try your best to shoot a little bit of WD-40 down the grip, and that will slide off, and then obviously wipe it clean before you do put it back on. Another trick, if you're worried that they're not going to tighten down all the way, is then, like we used to do back in the BMX days, is I'm going to clean this dirt off. After you clean the dirt off, then you spray hairspray on it, which allows it to slip on better, and then obviously hairspray gets hard, and then you can go ahead and lock that down. I'm not too concerned about it. There was no underneath solvent or anything on my bars. I will go ahead and keep these for a spare pair just in case if you do for some oddball reason rip a pair. They're good grips. They're just the stock ones that come on the Polygon here, as we can see, but I'm kitting out my bike right now. We're going to be putting matching Seafoam teal grips on, and these are really, really nice. Just the feel of these in my hand compared to the stock, unbelievable. Not to mention these are XLs. These are by the company PNW. Again, XLs here. Love the color. Nice little teal here. That's going to look really sharp with the Polygon colors here, as well as my pedals down here. I'll show you in just a second. But again, super simple. Little Allen wrench nut right here. I'm going to clean that off like I keep saying. This is going to shoot in, tighten down, and I do like a little bit extra thickness. It's not much. It's not much to really like go over the top, but these are definitely, you can feel that these are thinner. The company does sell these in a thinner type, so if yours are thinner and you love that, go with that. But the feel of these in my hand, that feels really, really good. Not to mention grippy, like I keep talking about, but also the XL, a little bit bigger. I like what I'm seeing there. All right, first one is on, and compared to when I sit on my bike and grip, I really, really like the XLs. Just a little bit beefier in your hand. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.